Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're doing wonderful. In this video we are going to talk about how to make character images using your own images in Midjourney. Some of the pictures as you can see right now on the screen, so how you can just put your own image and create any type of character that you like. You might have seen it, it's already very famous. People are putting their own characters generated by AI and just posting it on Instagram. So first, what you're gonna do, you have to add the bot into a separate server to reduce the noise, and you can have the bot to your own in a particular server, like I have created that one for myself, and then you can have your generations in one place. So what will happen if you're gonna do it in the open server, you will easily lose your generation and it's very hard to find it. So you can also create a new server for that. Like I'm gonna just go ahead and create a new server for this purpose. Like it would be only used for my characters. So I have created a new server, and then I'm going to add the Midjourney bot into that server. So I'm just going to use this button, and I'm going to select the server 1, and then I'll press continue, and then I'm gonna authorize it. So the computer will ask if I'm a robot or not. So yeah, I'm not a robot. Surprise, surprise. Okay, moving back to the server 1, and here now we can create our own images. So the first thing you want to do is to upload the image. We're gonna work with this image of Jordan Peterson, my favorite psychologist, and we're gonna try to play with that. So I have uploaded the image. What you want to do is to open the image and copy the image address as shown, and then you just need to paste it here. The first thing you want to do is a / import, and after the import it will show the prompt. So you have to paste the image address into the prompt, and when you did that, then you can actually put any kind of specification you want. You want him to be anything. So here I'm gonna just make a portrait of Jordan Peterson and portray him as a Da Vinci. Okay, if we had a Da Vinci and Jordan Peterson mixed together, what kind of character it will bring about. So let's just give it a try. I'm gonna put Jordan Peterson as a Da Vinci if he was same. I'm sorry, I'm not that good in spelling. I suck at it. So I'm just gonna put Da Vinci. I'm so sorry if the screen is not visible to you. I think I recorded half of the screen. I hope you forgive me for this one, but what I'm writing down here is I'm just writing portrait, high resolution, and Jordan Peterson as Da Vinci, and then I've given the image as a reference. So you can actually give anything. You can give your own image and you just say like, okay, a bodybuilder or something. So the AI will figure it out and use your image as a reference and will build the prompt on top of that. So what you can do here is that the prompt is already going and it's 0%. We are on a fast server, so it will just take about a few minutes. Quickly talking about the settings here, you can change your settings already. If you don't know, in the previous video I have talked about it. And okay, here it goes. The image is generated. Wow, my god, mind-blowing. Look at these images. Like literally, if Da Vinci and Jordan Peterson had a son and he was like 70 years old, it would look exactly the same. So it's very beautiful. So you can see like they're all the variation of Jordan Peterson as a Da Vinci. So what you can do here, you can actually upscale that. I'm gonna upscale the first one, and let's see what happens. So what will happen, the image will get bigger and more details will be added to it, so you'll be clearly able to see all the little and minor details, and it will certainly look better. So meanwhile let's talk about settings. So what you have to do is just / write settings and enter, and Midjourney will show all its settings. So you can actually change the settings. Like we have upscales, like a regular light upscale on beta upscale, which is a newer version. They're working on it, so it goes from like less good to the best one. So you can just choose these settings to the maximum or highest level. Actually it would give you much more better results. So right now we're just using the base quality for the quality, and we're using Midjourney version 4. And for the style, we're using a very high style. You can actually do that in the coding when you're giving a prompt. You can actually put these things as you can see here. the minus sign, which we're going to talk about in more videos, and I'm going to tell you all about the codes and small cheat codes that you can use in your Midjourney prompt that would give you a much better and greater results. So you can run 2 or 3 prompts at the same time. Like I'm gonna just generate another image variation for, I mean, like I just want a more variation of the picture 4, and it will just go side by side. Okay, the image is upscaled, so wow, as you can see, this looks awesome. This looks very perfect. So you can just go to original image, click on that, and it will open a new tab, and you can fully see the image with all the details. You can actually save the image to your desktop, and you can use it anyways you wish. I'm loving it. The results are phenomenal. It's like really great. I'm very impressed with what I'm seeing. So let's see, like just for a reference, I'm sorry, I'm not that good at spelling. I'm just trying to find Da Vinci. Okay, let's write Da Vinci artist. So just see for comparison, does it look like Da Vinci or not? So these are the images of Da Vinci. Oh, Mona Lisa. Da Vinci actually created Mona Lisa. He was a very prominent artist, and I know all of you know him. So this is Jordan Peterson, and that was Da Vinci. And they, oh my god, they look like very similar, but at the same time it has like this Jordan Peterson inside the skin of Da Vinci, which is awesome. It's not a very good joke, but I love it. I'm very satisfied with what I've done. So that would be it, guys. That's how it's done. You can just use your images, and you can put any image and just come with crazy stuff. Go ahead and play with this thing. I highly recommend it. I already am on paid version, but you can do that basically for free. So you have like, I think 30 prompts that you can actually use your images or anything else, and you'll be good to go for after. But after 30 images you have to pay for the server. All right, cheers.